As biodiversity board meeting actually for various things. We have Bonwall Lake. We are going to notify. Environment Department is going to notify Bonwall Lake as a wetland, part of the wetland, and we are going to give the High Court. It's for them to decide. But like this, आम्ही already NIO appoint केला to identify all the wetlands. Whatever issue केल्या, all wetlands of Goa, which we also want to notify and keep for posterity sake. But we will not keep any buffer in that. ये एक इश्यू झालो. दुसरो इश्यू आशिल्ले बाकीचे त्यांचे जे आमचे टोटल आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी टू से that out of 191 panchayats and 14 municipalities, we have finished 180 PBRs, and only almost 12 panchayats have not, around 12 or 14 panchayats have not finished PBR. Municipality ji amchi aaj meeting झाली, so those municipalities also we are finishing. Out of that, only 18, म्हाका दिसता लोकांनी पळोवपाक जाय, 18 panchayats have not given, and this is 14 municipalities have not given. PBR म्हटलं कितें, it is part of the biodiversity of a particular village where the local people have to be involved. आणि आम्ही त्यांचे ते एरिया भितर जसे कलांगूट कांदोली बायोडायवर्सिटी रजिस्टर मेंटेन करपाचें की हे गांवांत हे वस्तू मेवता, असले फ्लोरा फॉना जाता, सो दीस PBR म्हणटा ताका PBR ते करता. So we are happy to say that we are going in the right direction and we should be able to complete by November. जे villages जे village जे दिवना बोमाल कोणा वाडी तालावली वोलवो किट्टावल पिन्ना सुकुरू सांद्रे कुरका बांबुली कोल्ली सामते सेंद्रे गोवा असोलना कारमोना कावलसी हे सगळे we are finishing this hopefully by end of this month. सगळ्यांनी केले आले, we will be finishing it.
प्लॅन तयार जातलो
ना हेजो PBR जशे हो बूक आमी केल्लो आसा, हो आमच्या गोंयचो बायोडायवर्सिटी बोर्ड कितें गोंयांत मेवता हो बूक आमी ऑलरेडी लॉन्च केल्लो आसा, म्हज्या अंडर आमी केल्लो आसा फाटीं. वॉट एवर इज देयर इन गोवा, दिस इज द ट्रेजर्स ऑफ गोवा, वेर इट इज कमिंग. सो लायक दीस ओनली PBR फॉर देअर ओन विलेजीस वी वॉन्ट टू मेंटेन. आनी ते बुकाच्या नजरेन कितें कितें थंय मेवता, कसले आंबे थंय जाता, कसली फणस कसली जाता, कसली फुलां आसा, कितें नुस्तें आसा, हें सगळें ते PBR करतले. सो वी आर इन्वॉल्विंग द लोकल्स टू मेक दीस PBR.